Ah, ah, ah! What's up, everybody? Vincent Lee here with Track and Trade, and today we're going to be talking about taking advantage of pullbacks. What's a pullback? A pullback is where you see a stock immediately jump up in price. So, for example, we're looking at this ETF, which is UGAS, that trades based off of the price of natural gas. And you see, I've highlighted these kind of peaks and valleys, these points where it pushed up and then pulled down and then pulled back, pushed back up. And that's what a pullback is. It's when you see this dramatic drop in the price, and you are able to take advantage of it because of that pullback. Because of when it drops, it builds this huge opportunity for it to go back up. As you can see right here, even on the 1 day, 1 minute. Yesterday, UGAS was making new highs, and then it immediately hit this resistance right here around $36, and then it had this huge pullback. And once it had this pullback, it kind of consolidated, built this support, and then in pre-market hours, you've seen the price actually drop, hit lows of $29. And this is why I'm talking about a pullback, because you see the price drop immediately. And if you can wait for the proper time to get in, which is confirmation, you wait for it to start making higher highs. You don't buy the dip, so that means you're not just buying it at the bottom where it says new low, because you don't know how much more it's going to give back. With that being said, guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, if you're enjoying what I'm saying, and if it's making sense to you, please hit that like button, okay? Please subscribe to the channel, hit the alert bell so you can be notified when I make new videos, and then put something in the comment section below so I can talk to you. And if you have any video ideas or anything you want to see me drop, I will do that as well. But like I was saying, very quickly, you just want to make sure that if you're trying to capitalize off of a pullback, if you're trying to take advantage of this margin that a stock builds when it sells off ridiculously, you can even look at the RSI right here and see when it's going all the way down and it's selling off and it's below 30, and then you see it immediately pushes back up and go above 70, and it did this twice. As you can see here, sold off, push back up, sold off here, push back up. So this is a pattern that you can trade and make money off of, but you have to wait for confirmation. And I mean waiting for it to show signs that it's actually going up. So if you wanted to trade this in pre-market hours, when you seen it hit lows and you seen it consolidated, and then it broke above the EMA, and then broke above the middle VWAP, and then it broke above the SMA, and you just seeing this just continue to break above all of these resistances, that lets you know the price strength is very strong, and now you can take advantage. And you can see, even if you would have got in once it broke above the SMA, proven signs of confirmation, proven to you that, hey, this is going to make higher highs, you still would have made whatever your target goal was. So if your target was 2 to 3% to 4%, you would have made that in pre-market hours. You would have made that even before the market opened. And then you see it pushed up a whole nother 14, 30, yeah, 4, almost 14% before it ever started getting going back down. So this is just an example. And then if you would continue trading it the rest of the day, you would have seen it go right back down, that price go right back down to that $32 range, which was a previous support, as you've seen in pre-market hours. So it obviously shown, okay, people were saying at this price point, hey, this is very cheap. I think the price direction is going to change, especially considering the fact that we have a lot of positive catalysts for natural gas. It being one being the trade, the oil war between Saudi Arabia and Russia. So obviously, we can expect natural gas to be doing very well right now. And as you can see, especially with all of these stimulus packages and all this money the Fed's dropping, all the money that they're printing, and so you've seen the price immediately change its direction once it got to that support and hit high. I mean, made another 11% increase before it started to change its direction and consolidate. So with that being said, guys, that's the perfect example on how you can take advantage of pullbacks if you wait for the proper confirmation. Now, again, only trade what you understand. Only trade what you have experience doing. Don't trade something. Don't play. Oh, I have this great idea now on how to trade a pullback, so I'm just gonna go in the market tomorrow, wait for it to look like that type of opportunity, and then just jump in, because trades don't always go like that. That's why we always practice excellent risk management, just in case, which a lot of the time it doesn't go the way that you plan. You have some type of protection to keep you from going bust, keep your account from going broke, and keep you happy and willing to jump into another trade. So, guys, just really quick, I wanted to do a video talking about how you can take advantage of a pullback. And really, what you're looking for when you're trying to take advantage of it is you're looking for this huge gap up or gap down in the market. If you're trying to short sell, you'll look for this huge gap up in pre-market hours to where you know it's hitting highs that it's never hit before, and then market opens and you see it immediately pull back, and that's how you short sell it. Versus if you're seeing the market gap down in pre-market hours and you can tell that it's at the support that it's never been at before. The price is very cheap right now, especially for all the good news going on with it, as you can see right here with you guys. Once it hit that support and the market opened, it just immediately went all the way up, and that's how you actually was able to take advantage of a pullback. So I just wanted to do this video really quick, guys. Hopefully you found it informative, you found it helpful, and it's just another video that can take you a step further in your trading career. If you like it, like I said, as always, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, please click that alert button so you can be notified. Leave me a comment. If you want me to drop something specific, or if you have a question, or if you just don't like the content at all, I don't mind that either. I hope you guys are being safe out there. I hope you have plenty of toilet paper. I know if you're wiping your behind with paper towel, you're really, really mad right now because that shit hurts. So may God be with you, and hopefully things continue to go well, guys, and you have a blessed trading week. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you later. Peace.